After we left the Indian Ocean Drive, we headed north to get to Kalbarri National Park. Before getting into the park, we stopped at the Pink Lake, just some k's south of Kalbarri. The lake was almost dried up, but we were still able to spot a part of the pinkish lake that still had some water. Kalbarri National Park is actually divided into two different parts. The first one is the coastal side, a dramatic scenery where the cliffs meet the ocean. There are several lookouts and walks to do, but when we were there this February we really needed fly nets. The temperatures were around 35, but the strong ocean breeze made it quite doable. At the coastal side you can watch stunning sunsets, and on your way back you might see some wildlife, like wallabies, or maybe even an echidna on the road, like we did. Just drive carefully when driving at dawn. The other side of Kalbarri consists of multiple beautiful gorges. The Murchison River follows the path it created between the steep rocks and cliffs until it ends in the ocean. Unfortunately, when we were there, the water was quite murky because of the rainfall upstream. There are many walks and lookouts in this part of the park as well. Remember to take enough water with you in the gorges, because it can be 10 degrees warmer there. We did the incredible 8-kilometer loop walk, which starts and ends at the famous Nature's Window. We started at 7 AM and finished at 11. We saw no one during the walk, and it definitely was one of the most stunning trails ever.